Good morning. My name is Devansh Soni from class 6. Today I am here from activity 3, how to measure curved line. First we get thread, then set on the line like this, then made a point like this. Then measure with a scale like this. Then my first is 15. Then note in the page. Then set a point on 15. Then measure point to another point for us. My second point in on the 14. Then we write 15 plus 14 is equal to 5 plus 4 9 2 is equal to 29. My answer is 29. Thank you.